Okay, the third technique in social media hacking is DNS spoofing. Now, I would explain what DNS spoofing means. Now, let's go. DNS spoofing is a type of malicious attack wherein attackers can poison a DNS cache by manipulating DNS resolvers into cacheing false information, with the result that the resolvers send the wrong IP address to users, and users attempting to navigate to a website will be directed to the wrong place. Now, a good example is for those who have ever tried downloading movies from certain sites. You will notice at the moment you click on download, you will be redirected to a malicious page which you don't have any intention to go to. Now, this is an example of DNS spoofing. The next one is the next one is key logging. Now, there is a software known as a key logger which is used by hackers to perpetrate attack on the internet. Now, let's explain. Now, a key logger is made by a hacker to trace out the pattern of the keys of keyboard typed by a user. After that, it immediately generates a file of that key pattern and send it to the hacker's computer through the internet. Now, this involves some technicalities which we won't be able to explain in this elementary cybersecurity video. So, the fifth method in the fifth method of or the fifth technique of social media hacking is section hijacking. I would explain what section hijacking is, and I will try to give a possible example. Now, let's go. The section detail are saved in your browser's cookie file. In section hijacking, the hacker steals those cookies and then access the victim's account. Section hijacking is most common when accessing social media websites on an HTML, which is a non-secure communication, and it is widely used on LAN and Wi-Fi connection. Now, let me explain this in detail. Now, section hijacking basically is an attempt by the hacker to to kind of go through your cookie file, especially you are when you are browsing, or you are either searching or going through a website that is not connected. I hope it's very clear. I hope I able to. So, because some of these them, if we decide to delve into them deeply, we might spend as high as 4 to 5 hours just talking about a single aspect of cybersecurity. Now, this video is just to try and brush. That's why it seems most I don't stay deep in a certain in a certain explanation. I move to the next. So, the last technique in social media hacking is saved passwords. Now, this is basically one of the rampant way for social media hacking. This is the most rampant. So, let's look at what saved password means. before I would also explain preventive measure to avoid social media hacking, to avoid your social media being hacked. Like I said, I am not teaching this to make you a hacker. Hell no. I am just showing you how hackers operate and also give preventive measure to guide against it. So, saved password. Most of the times we share our login and credit card detail in the web browser. Anyone can see your social media account from your browser password manager. Any other information, any other information the hacker may need. So now, if you are still doubting this, if you do browse with Google Chrome, which is my favorite, try and go to setting and then check on manage password. Now you would see a list of all the whole account you have set up using Google Chrome on that device. Now you can take a moment or two to check it and then give and then see how saved password, or how a saved password can in some way implicate you